Introducing the DM3 AIREX. The DM3 AIREX features a 100% stainless steel body and it is ATEX certified for Zone 1-2 gas and 21-22 dust. Suction is provided by two powerful air-powered Venturi ejectors. The vacuum cleaner is equipped with a wide antistatic class M filter. Every part of the machine is connected to a chain, which ensures perfect grounding. The wheels are made of anti-static rubber. In case the machine is standing on a not conductive surface, it can be grounded using the additional cable. To start cleaning, simply remove the safety cap and insert the hose. Open the air valve to start the vacuum. At the end of the operation, close the air valve and clean the filter to ensure vacuum performances and filter efficiency. The DM3 AIREX is featured with a 55-liter detachable container with patented safe disposal bags. These can be used to collect hazardous materials and to dispose of them safely.